When did you move to Hong Kong?
I moved to Hong Kong in 2018. Yeah, it's almost 2 years. Yeah.
Have you visited Hong Kong previously?
Yeah, this is my third time in Hong Kong.
Could you tell us about your first impression of the city?
Hong Kong is a vibrant city and well connected to the world.
What word comes to mind when you think of Hong Kong?
Shopping and dining.
Is there anything about Myanmar that you miss?
Oh, I miss Myanmar typical food, sometimes even Myanmar delicious fruits as well.
What is your favorite travel spot in Myanmar?
Bagan, it is the ancient city.
What is your favorite Myanmar food?
Mohinga, thick gravy fish soup. We can have it with rice noodle. We usually have it for breakfast.
What are some of your favorite Myanmar films or films about Myanmar?
Mystery of Snow. It is our Myanmar Academy awarded 5 awards in 2005.
Who is your favorite Myanmar artist?
Min, he is a painter and he painting the contemporary art.
What is a book by a Myanmar author you would recommend?
The book Letter from Burma, written by Aung San Suu Kyi, it's about the Myanmar political history as well as the documentary, travel documentary.
Who do you admire in Myanmar's history?
General Aung San, who is the father of Myanmar independence and then founding father of the country.
What is your favorite book or movie from or about Hong Kong?
My favorite Hong Kong movie is Line Walker 2 because some of the scene they're shooting in Myanmar last year.
What is your favorite food or restaurant here?
My favorite food is dim sum. We used to have it at Beijing Ballet's restaurant.
Do you have a place you regularly hang out at?
Yes, we used to go to Landau Island, to the Big Boulder.
What is your favorite activity to do in Hong Kong?
My favorite activities in Hong Kong is sailing the boat along the strait between Kowloon and Hong Kong.
Is there something you would like to try here that you have not yet?
I'm still think this is my and I want to go to the Central Library, which I have. I really want to do it.
Do you have a favorite Cantonese word or phrase?
Ho langa.
Nice. And last question, what do you love most about the city?
The city is combination with metropolitan, maintaining the metropolitan without destroying the natural resources like mountain and forests.